Hey, it's Michelle from Monkey's Creations. I'm going to show you how to make a sunflower using the Dollar Tree wheel frame. So come on down and I will show you. So we have the Dollar Tree wheel frame. You're going to need 36 pieces of yellow mesh of your choice. I am using horizontal white stripe and 12 green. We have set up 4 zip ties on every spoke. There are 12 spokes. So we're going to put leaves on all of the outside rings on every spoke, and then we'll get to the yellow. So let me show you how to do the sunflower petal. Very easy, squared piece of mesh, curl side down, diamond shape. We're going to scrunch from bottom to the top. Just like that. We're going to bring left over right, lay them down close together. Make sure your tips are kind of even. Go ahead and band that end just like that. Go right up underneath, open them up, and there's your basic sunflower petal. So for the green, again, we are going to need 12 pieces. So we're going to start on that outside and just go ahead and zip up those green at the very end of each of those spokes. You can use less green if you want. Pick the look you want to go for. You can add these zip ties one by one as well, if you don't want to deal with all of the zip ties at once. Getting these zip ties on as tight as I can get them, and then we'll come back in with the zip tie gun and tighten them down even further. And I'm zip tying right over that band. So if the band breaks, it's not going to fall all over your wreath. Last piece going in. So we've got 12 pieces of green. We're going to use zip tie gun to go ahead and clip off those zip ties. There we go. We've got our row of leaves on there. It's going to be huge, y'all. So about 27 inches in diameter. So if you want a huge sunflower, there you go. Now we're going to get to the yellow. So we need 36 pieces of yellow. Same squared piece of mesh. Curve side down. Diamond shape. You will see I always keep the serged edge upper left, bottom right. We're going to scrunch from bottom to the top. Bring left over right. Put them down side by side. Make sure they're kind of even. And then give that end a good pinch. And we're going to band it. And then go right up underneath. Open up that petal for your basic sunflower petal. All right, let's get these yellow added on. So we're going to add 3 pieces of yellow to each spoke. So I'm just using this end as my guide. So we're going to line this end where the edge of my band is up to the end of that piece of mesh, that green mesh. Just like that. Now, if you don't want it as big as it is, then bring those green leaves in and only use 2 rolls of the yellow. Completely up to you how big or how small you want this to be. So we're doing 36 pieces of this yellow. This is horizontal white stripe, but you can use deco mesh, you can use poly burlap, you can use fabric mesh, whatever yellow you have. You can see once you get all the prep done how quick and easy this goes together. Last spoke for this row. It's gonna be huge, y'all. We're going to go on to that next one. We're just going to keep right on going. Lining the band up with the end of this nub here. You can always spread these out even further and only use 2 rolls of the yellow. We are using a 6-inch center, so if you used an 8-inch center, you could get away with 2 rows as well. But that's a good thing about these. You can make them as big or as small, as full or as not so full as you want. Last one for this row. All right, let's get these clipped off. Do that last row. Get our sign on. All right, last set, y'all. Just checking. Yep, we're gonna be good. And see, I'm just going right up underneath and kind of fluffing them up. You can put these zip ties in one at a time if you would like, so you're not messing with all these zip ties. Just trying to make sure that we're about at the same place all the way around. Not that it's really gonna matter once you get everything on there, because you're not gonna see whether one's a little bit higher than the other with all this mesh on there. These clipped off. Now we're just gonna take our sign. We've already got the cable mount and the pipe cleaner on there. So we're just gonna wrap it around those spokes right there in the middle. Wrap it right around that center. Okay, that's what it looks like from the back. And then we can just take this and just keep wrapping it around, and then you can feed it, trim it off. I would trim it off and then feed that right back into the middle. That way you don't have that sharp metal piece sticking out. So there's what it looks like from the back. And look how pretty and huge that sunflower is. There you go. Sunflower on the Dollar Tree wheel frame.